Hi, welcome to another video. Myself Sanullah and you are watching Code With. So let's do it together. As we know, this is Code Java Part 2 and we are going to cover up Code Java tutorial series where we will cover all the basic of Code Java. So let's start. We will start from class and object. What is a class? A class is a logical entity or blueprint using which we can create multiple objects. We cannot create any object without a class. First, we need to create a class and then we can create number of objects by using that class. Multiple object creating using same class is called similar object or identical object. Every object works independently, means if one object is modified or destroyed, then it does not affect another object. Next, object is a real world physical entity, means anything will occur and have some space will known as object, means physical presence and physical appearance can be considered as an object. As we know, object will have a state and behavior. For example, we are having mobile. The behavior of the mobile is recording voice, video recording, calling someone, capturing the photo, and the state of the mobile is RAM, ROM capacity, color, and length. These are the state of a mobile. In the term of compilation, if we compile any code, the compiler will generate the default constructor for that, where the constructor name must be same as the class name. For example, we are having class Rocky and class product. Here the default constructor is Rocky as the class name, and as we know, the class is a pre-reserved code in Java. That's why it is in a small, and we are following the naming convention as upper camel case. That's why Rocky name will start with capital R and the product with capital P. In Java, objects are stored in heap memory. Memory allocation and memory deallocation will completely management by JVM. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. JVM create an object in heap memory when we call the constructor using new keyword, and the object address is represented in hexadecimal format. Next, for example, we are having a class bike and class car and class carrot. By using new keyword, we are calling an object and it will be stored in heap memory. Here this is the stack memory and this is heap memory. Similarly, it will be created in heap memory. Object reference and object address. A reference is the one which store an object address, and object reference is presented in heap memory. As we are having this stack memory as reference, here we will store the object address, but the object reference will be stored in heap memory. Here object reference is here, but the object address is here in stack memory. And by using object reference, we can also find the object in heap memory state. As we discussed, a state of an object is nothing but the property, information, or data which describe an object is known as a state. The data member is nothing but a data holder which hold and store the data. There are two types of data member. One is variable, second one is constant. Variable data will be varies according to the requirement and it will change. Programmatically, non-final data member is called as variable, and second is constant data member. Constant is the data member which represent fixed value. Programmatically, we declare constant using final keyword. Here we are having some example. We are having class pen. We are already initialize color as green and marker is the type of pen. Pen P1 equal to new pen, pen C1 equal to new pen, and pen C2 equal to new pen. Here we are having the same object at three places with the different object address and object reference. This is the main example of object reference. Object creation and direct initialization. Here we are having class bike and we are direct initializing color as blue and the name as R15V3. So this is known as the direct initialization. So in this we are having bike B1 equal to new bike, bike B2 equal to new bike, bike B3 equal to new bike. As we have already initialized the color of bike and the name of the bike and calling it 3 times with the help of new keyword. So it will be create the constructor as 3 times, but it will store same thing with the 3 different object address and object reference in heap memory, and that's known as direct initialization. Object creation and initialization using object reference. Here we will see the example of object reference. Here we are having class as motorcycle and the color we are not initializing here. Direct initializing, we will initialize color and name, and we are having here main method, and here we are calling motorcycle v1 equal to new motorcycle, and we are calling here default constructor. So we are passing here name as dominar and color as orange, and in the second one we are calling as color as red and name as phasor, and third one color as blue and name as empty15. So here you can see we are having a stack memory and heap memory. Here we are having three different kind of our motorcycle color and name. Here we are having with this object address and this object reference, we are having color as orange and dominar name. So like that, the object reference will work for the object creation and initialization. Yes, a big thanks to watch this video till here, and don't forget to subscribe, do like, share and press the bell icon also. Thanks for the watching.